Do you wake up tired every single morning? Do you turn off your alarm and sleep again and again and again? Do you feel like the day is already lost before it starts? If your answer is yes, please listen to me very carefully today. I have a simple secret that can change your whole life. It is free. It does not need money. It does not need a teacher. It only needs you. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English with me every single week. Today, we will talk about waking up early and how this small habit can give you a happy life and a strong English. What does it mean to wake up early? Waking up early means you open your eyes when the sun is still rising. It means you get out of bed before most people in your city. For some people, early is 5 in the morning. For other people, early is 6 or 7. The exact time is not important. The important thing is this: you wake up at a time that is quiet. You wake up at a time that is calm. You wake up at a time that gives you space to breathe before the busy day starts. This is your special time. Nobody is calling you. Nobody is asking you for things. The world is still soft and gentle. This time of day is a beautiful gift, and many people sleep through it every morning. Why do so many people sleep late? Let us think about this together. At night, the world feels free. We finish our work, we finish our dinner. Then we sit on the sofa with our phones. We watch one short video, then another short video, then another. The time passes very fast. Suddenly, it is 1 in the morning and we are still awake. We promise ourselves we will sleep early tomorrow, but tomorrow we do the same thing again. This is a very common problem. It is not your fault. Phones and television shows are made to keep your eyes open. But you can break this habit. You can take back your nights, and you can take back your mornings too. Now let us talk about the magic of the morning. The morning is a magical time. The air is fresh and clean. The streets are quiet. The birds are singing in the trees. The sky is changing colors. When you wake up early, you see all of this. You feel like you have a secret nobody else has. You feel calm. You feel strong. You feel like the day is yours. Many famous people, artists, doctors, and writers wake up very early. They say the morning is when they think best. They say the morning is when they have their best ideas. You can have this magic too. You just need to open your eyes a little earlier. Waking up early is very good for your body. When you sleep at a normal time and wake up early, your body feels rested. Your skin looks better. Your eyes look brighter. You have more energy to walk, to move, and to smile. You have time to eat a real breakfast. Breakfast is the first food of the day. A good breakfast gives your body fuel for many hours. People who sleep late often skip breakfast. They run out of the house with no food. Then they feel weak and angry at work. But people who wake up early eat slowly. They drink water. They feel ready. Your body loves a calm morning, and it will thank you for it. Waking up early is also very good for your brain. In the morning, your brain is fresh. It is like a clean white paper. Your brain has rested all night. Now it is ready to learn new things. This is the best time to study. This is the best time to read. This is the best time to learn English. If you study English for just 20 minutes in the morning, you will remember the new words for many days. Your focus is strong in the morning. There is no noise. There are no messages. Just you, your book, and your podcast. Many people try to study at night, but they are too tired. The morning is much better. The morning is when your mind is awake and hungry to learn. Waking up early also gives you more time. Time is the most important thing in your life. You cannot buy more time. You cannot save time in a bottle, but you can find more time. How? You can find it in the morning. If you wake up just 1 hour earlier every day, you get 7 extra hours every week. 7 hours. Think about that. In 1 year, that is many full days of extra time. With this time, you can read books, you can walk, you can write, you can call your family, you can learn a new language, you can become a new person. Waking up early is the best way to give yourself the gift of time. Now, you may ask, how do I wake up early? Let me give you some simple tips. The first tip is the most important. Go to bed early. You cannot wake up early if you sleep late. This is the main rule. Try to go to bed at the same time every night. Your body loves a clear plan. The second tip is to put your phone far from your bed. Many people sleep with their phone next to their head. This is a big mistake. The light from the phone hurts your sleep. Put your phone in another room or in a drawer. Use a simple clock as your alarm. Let us talk more about the night before. What you do at night decides how you wake up in the morning. Do not drink coffee at night. Coffee keeps you awake for many hours. Do not eat a heavy dinner late. A heavy stomach makes your sleep bad. Try to read a small book in bed. Reading makes your eyes tired in a good way. Make your room dark. Make your room a little cold. Make your bed soft and clean. When your room feels like a peaceful cave, your body sleeps faster. And when your sleep is deep, the morning feels easy. When the alarm rings in the morning, do not press the snooze button. Snooze is the button that gives you 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes are a trap. They make you feel more tired, not less. Sit up in your bed right away. Drink a glass of water. Open the window and look at the sky. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. Smile, even if you do not feel happy yet. Your face can teach your heart how to feel. Then stand up. Stretch your arms. Walk to the kitchen. Make a warm drink. The first 5 minutes of your morning are the most important minutes of your whole day. Now, how can you put English in your morning? This is the best part. Make English a part of your morning routine. After you wake up, listen to one short English podcast. Yes, like this one. Listen while you drink your coffee. Listen while you walk to work. Listen while you cook your eggs. Just 10 or 20 minutes a day is enough. Repeat new words to yourself in the mirror. Say, "Good morning," out loud in English. Say, "I feel strong today," in English. Your brain will learn fast because it is fresh. The morning is your secret classroom. Nobody can take this time from you. This is how slow learners become fast learners. We have talked about so many beautiful things today. We learned what it means to wake up early. We learned why people sleep late and how we can change this. We learned that the morning is a magical and quiet time. We learned that waking up early helps your body, your brain, and your time. We learned simple tips for going to bed early and waking up easy. And we learned that the morning is the best time to learn English. So tonight, please try one small thing. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Tomorrow morning, you will feel the difference. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will talk about food, breakfast, and your favorite meals in simple English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow the English Flow podcast on all our pages for daily English practice. Thank you for listening today. Sleep well, wake up early, and speak English with a big smile.